Hello, my name is Ms. Odile. I am a theater arts integration teacher for KidSmart. Today we're doing a lesson for Mildred Osborne. We've been doing a series that combines different styles of acting with some principles of ELA through storytelling. We're using this book, A Story is Story by Gailey Haley. If you haven't read it yet, you may go back and look at my read aloud video that shares the story. Today's acting method is called improvisation. When we do improvisation, we make up the story as we go along. Now, it's very important that you remember that we used our body for tableau and for pantomime. We use gestures and facial expression. These are still very important in improvisation. But one thing that we haven't done before is we haven't used our words. So in improvisation, not only do you use your body, but you also use your voice. You may pick any of the characters in our story. Today, I'm going to be focused on the journey of Niame, the sky god. I'm going to improvise the scene when Anansi goes up to the sky god and asks him for all the stories of the world that Niame has kept hidden in a box. Even though we already know the story, I'm going to make up the words, and I'm going to make up what I'm doing with my gestures and my facial expression as I go along. In your improvisation, you can change the story from the storybook, but I want you to use the characters and the setting, which is this village in Africa, in the African jungle, to tell the best possible story that you can. So first, I will demonstrate. Before we begin, I'm going to use a scarf to help me become Niame, the sky god. If you look at this picture, you will see that Niame looks like he has a crown around his head. So now I'm going to take my scarf and I'm going to wrap it. Going to wrap it as far as it goes. And you may ask an adult to help you with your scarf. And then you can tie it up. And now we're ready. Anansi, the Spider-Man has come to see me. Sure, go on. Let him come in. Oh, Anansi. You sweet Spider-Man, what may I do for you today? What? Ladies and gentlemen, Anansi would like for me to hand him the stories of the world. I keep them in this box. These stories are very, very important. If I give you these stories, you must give me something in return. You must earn the stories of the world. First, I need you to go back down into the village. Through the village, you will go into the jungle. You must find Osebo, the leopard of the terrible teeth. You must capture him. Next, Omboro, the hornets that sting like fire. You must bring me the whole bunch. And last, you must bring to me Mwatia, the fairy that no man ever sees. If you bring me all three, you may then have the stories and do with them as you wish. Go on, Poor little Anansi. He really feels he can bring me these stories. We shall see. Is that Anansi, this Spider-Man? Oh, there he is. And he does indeed seem to be bringing Osebo, Omboro, and little Moati. Anansi, congratulations. You have brought me what I asked for. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a huge cheer. Now, Anansi. Here are the stories as I promised. You may do with them as you wish. Now that you have an example, I want you to find someone to be your audience at home, or once again, see if you can borrow a phone and record a video of you acting. I want you to do the beginning, middle, and end of one of the characters' journey in our story. Next, you can do this with any storybook that you have at home or that you've read in the past, and you can always use improvisation based on the story that you've read, and then you can change it as you wish. Now, your turn to go do some acting using improvisation.